Did you know that you will get suspended if you cancel as like many orders on eBay for this reason that I will show you in just a few seconds? So that's why I come up with this video. I want to show you how you can cancel the order on eBay without receiving a transaction defect. Now, a lot of people sell on eBay products, and whenever they find a problem or the shipping price is very expensive, they cancel the order and then they select something like out of stock reason. And what happens there is, if you cancel like multiple products at once, like for example in the first month, for example, in just like 30 days period, if you cancel many products, your account will get suspended. And they have seen this multiple times. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I will show you the correct way on how you can cancel the order as a seller without receiving a transaction defect. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to go to orders here. I'm going to click on awaiting shipment. Okay, so I have now here multiple products that are awaiting shipment, and they are waiting for me to fulfill the order and ship these products. But if I have a problem with this guy, for example, the shipping price is very expensive, or this item is out of stock, I don't have it in stock. But if I click here on three little dots and I click on cancel order, here is what happens. Okay, it says here reason for cancellation. A lot of people select out of stock or damaged, which is very, very, very bad. Okay, if you do this only 5 times, trust me, your account will get destroyed. Okay, you will problems will happen with your eBay account. They are related to product visibility. Like eBay will not push your products, you will not get a lot of sales, and eventually your account will get suspended. Here is what you need to do. If you have a problem with someone, you want to cancel the order, first ask the buyer. Just send a random message. Say something like, I will show you exactly what I mean. Before canceling, I will show you exactly what reason you need to select when you are canceling. Okay, first, you want to contact the buyer. Click on three little dots and then click on message buyer here. Okay, now if it's related to shipping price, you can say something like, hi, we tried to ship this to you, but the shipping company refused this product. Most of them, they will just say, okay, just cancel it and refund my money. And that's exactly what you need to do. When they say to you cancel it, if you cancel it and then the reason, it should be this. I'm going to click again on three little dots, cancel order. The reason it should be this one. Buyer asked to cancel. It doesn't affect your account at all. Okay, from my experience, I've been doing dropshipping for like 6 years now, and I always go with buyer asked to cancel. In rare cases where the buyer doesn't reply to me, I just select issue with the buyer shipping address. That way, it's the buyer, it's not you. Okay, when you select out of stock, eBay will say, why did you list it if it's out of stock? Okay, so that's exactly what you need. Okay, hopefully this tutorial helped you. Like I said, just don't select out of stock reason. Just avoid that at all costs. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. Like I said, drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, like I said, drop them below. I will try to reply to your questions. See you in the next tutorial.